I am Wilfried, a PCB designer. I will first start off by importing the baseline data that was sent by the mechanical designer to create the initial starting point of my PCB design. As I open the design, I can see that the mechanical designer, Alex, sent me a collaboration file to review and apply. I can open MCAD Collaborator and review the content that was sent to me by him. In the baseline file, I can see that we have a new board outline, placement obstructs, mounting holes, and connectors. I can preview the data that was sent to me prior to importing it into Expedition. This allows me to identify if there are any issues that may break my design constraints prior to importing it into the layout. Since I am starting my design, this data matches my design rules and requirements. So I will import everything into my PCB project. Once the baseline is applied into my design, I can import a mechanical assembly file that contains the mechanical models and the NX assembly with the alignment and orientation of the panel. This will allow me and help me to define a placement strategy. Now that we have our initial setup, I can continue my part placement of electronic parts in the PCB design.